pa yun.
I am Hartros L. Tangkay.
I am JBB Padua.
Isabel Marabillo.
And today we're gonna show you how to disassemble and assemble a system unit.
First thing to do is remove our accessories. Step 1. Make sure the system unit is turned off. Step 2. Unplug or remove all cables connected to the system unit. Step 3. Untighten or remove the screws of the side cover of system case. Step 4. Disconnect and remove all the cables connected to all components inside the system unit. Step 5. Unscrew or remove the power supply. Step 6. Remove the hard disk drive. Step 7. Remove the RAM. Step 8. Remove the heat sink fan. Step 9. Remove the motherboard and tighten the screws mounted to the case, then carefully remove the motherboard.
This is the RAM and we're gonna put it to the motherboard. Going to put back the motherboard.